Alright. So welcome to our lazy RV. Ignore my dog. He's having a fit. He's not outside with us. Everyone have a moment of silence for Dante, who is clearly not having a moment of silence. So we're going to show you how to do Greek grilled vegetables two ways. So our last video, we grilled the vegetables using a Greek vinaigrette that we picked up in a bottle. You don't have to do everything handmade or from scratch. But we're going to do the same vegetables and the same dressing. May the sizzle be with you. And also with you. So we have zucchini, we have yellow squash, we have green bell pepper, we have some tomatoes, some Roma tomatoes. Now the squash and the zucchini are in season. Like they're pretty much very abundant. The tomatoes will start coming in pretty soon. And then the green bell peppers, well, you can get them pretty much all the time. So I have them spread out so that they can get a good color on them. So instead of using it as just a side dish or putting it in with our main meat selection, which yesterday or the video before was kielbasa, we're going to put this in an orzo pasta. So I've cooked orzo pasta. I've put the same dressing, the same vinaigrette in with the pasta. Put some parsley, some olives. If you don't like olives, what's wrong with you? However, if you don't like olives, you can take the olives out or just omit them. And then I'm going to put the same feta cheese with it. So we want some good caramelization on our vegetables so that it'll go well with the orzo pasta salad. We're also going to be cooking some grilled pork chops, and we're going to serve it with a side of crusty bread. So we've got a pasta salad, we've got some pork chops, and we've got bread, and that's going to be our easy dinner. So I'm just going to babysit these vegetables, and we're going to watch them get some color. We're going to flip them around, and then we're going to put them in our pasta salad. Okay, cool. So I am going to take the vegetables, and I'm going to put them in our orzo pasta. Now, one of the great things about cooking outside is you're outside. And then we're going to grill up our pork chops. I'm going to take all these good vegetables. They've got a nice caramelization on them. They've got good flavor. They're going to go really nicely. I can get all of them off. As I can. So I really love grilled vegetables in the summertime. Keeps a lot of the heat out of the camper. Keeps a lot of heat out of the house. They're just really flavorful. Alright. So now I'm going to add some more oil. And we're going to start cooking the pork chops. As you can see, the grill is smoking hot. What you want. Now when you have like a side that has a lot of flavor to it, you're going to want your main dish, your meat, kind of be seasoned a little, fairly simply. We're using Old Bay. That's one of our favorite seasonings to use. So I'm going to take the Old Bay, and I'm going to sprinkle the other side. And these will not take long to cook at all. I'm going to sprinkle that flavor. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. And we are going to let these cook. Alright, so we're going to flip our pork chops. Look at that beautiful color on them. I am not as adept at flipping the meat as Mark is, because he has way more practice than I do. But yes, ladies, you too can grill. Although, I will say, men, ladies, whomever you are trying to get, our non-binary folks, grilled food is a great way to win somebody's heart. I don't care who you are. It's why I can't eat steak at restaurants, because Mark makes it really, really well. All right, so while those are getting lovely on that side, we're going to take our feta cheese. We're going to open it.
Move the oil.
What?
Move the oil.
Excuse me. Let me move the oil before it blows up. Because that. And we're going to add, whoops, we added a lot of feta cheese. And then we're just basically going to stir it in. And then that is our pasta salad. It's going to be great tomorrow. Obviously, all of our recipes are going to be on lazyrv.com.
Cooking.
Excuse me. lazyrvcooking.com. I didn't have my cool shirt that you can buy at our shop on to tell me. Just stirring out. I want to make sure all the cheese gets incorporated. And there you have it. You've got grilled pork chops and you've got orzo salad. So if you really liked this video, give us a like down at the bottom. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so that you will never miss another episode of Lazy RV Cooking. Bon appetit.